So here's our Coachmen Freelander, 2013, right? And how many feet? 28? 28 foot. It's got AC, it's got a roof ladder. We have, we're actually out at the camping this weekend. Out at Lake Ells Lake in beautiful British Columbia. There's our driver. There's no fire yet, it's too warm. We have a barbecue outside. Our recycling. Just an extra table and a place to put all our shoes because we travel with 3 girls. Let's go take a look inside. Get all the mosquitoes away. Boy, there's lots of mosquitoes. You come on in. And you come into the kitchen. We got TV there, microwave, our stove. We have power at this site, so yeah, we get to put coffee on. There's our panel. Electrical, sewer, you know, propane. This is our kitchen, so here's our furs cupboard. So there's lots of room. It goes way to the back. It's pretty hard to see in this light. This is what we use for our utensils. If you notice, we don't have any drawers. So we put all our utensils in there. Down below, we just have little cubbies, and there's our knives. And then again, it goes all the way to the back. Toaster. Place to put our bags. Then you come over here, and under the stove, we do not have an oven. And there's some more storage. It's hard to see. We got a few frying pans and pots, you know. And then of course our hooks, command hooks are everywhere. There's some more storage. Coffee and spices. Some more drinks. Salsa, sugar, hot chocolate. And then there's another one underneath that one. There's nothing in that one right now. Like I said, we're just camping, so we don't have a lot of stuff in here. And then we go to the other side. We have our freezer. Good size freezer. Fridge. That's where all the food is. Good size fridge. And then above the fridge and freezer is another, and that's where we keep paper plates, saran wrap, tin foil, napkins, all the extras. And then you come over and above the door we have a little spot to put books and stuff. And then more command hooks, of course. Nothing but command hooks, right? The door. Then you come into the living area and our couch, pull-out couch. Dining set. That makes out into a bed, of course. TV. DVD. Up here we keep all the kids stuff, the toys, the books, totes for everything, right? Containers, keep everything all together. And then there's another one. So we keep towels and a bit extra paper towel and toilet paper, whatever we put up in here. So we got towels and Kleenex. Anything extra will go up there. Then we have our overhead. That's where all the kids' stuff is. It's messy, messy, messy. But we have one kid sleeping up there, and then one kid sleeps on the couch. And then above the couch, we have more storage. This is where we keep most of our food stuff. So again, more little containers, right? These things, love those things. Double up on your storage space. So, and then this side we have another one. And then of course you always have your anti-slip. This stuff is the best. And then more, right? Containers. Yeah. So that's it for the living area. There's the couch. Oh, and then of course the front, right? And then from the living area, all the living, dining, kitchen, and then we'll walk to the back bedroom and the bathroom area. Oh, and that's our thermostat air conditioning heater. So it's a queen size bed. We have storage above, on the sides, and below it. And then if you come in, there's the shower. Good size shower. So that's the shower. Close the door. So again, command hooks, right? We've got towels hanging up. My hubby hangs up his clothes and then his pajamas. And then over here, this is the bathroom door. We have over the door hook and we hang up our hoodies and sweaters and stuff on there. And then the bathroom, this opens up. The door closes right tight. So you can have the whole area, the whole bedroom shut off. And then this is the bathroom area. It's a little tight, but hey man, it works fine. The sink, and then there's little cubbies there with some good all our stuff in there, and then we have that, so more stuff in there. And then we also over here have this little corner. This is fabulous for bathing suits and stuff, right? Hanging usually outside. And there's more storage. And then we just keep our broom in here. So then you can close the door. And that's the bathroom. So we'll come over here. There's our hamper. It's one of those little compact ones. You could fold it up. And again, that's my towels. And in here, this closet, this big closet, the kids' clothes goes in there. And I'll hang up my clothes, and the daughter's clothes will get hung up in there as well. And then above the bed, there's more storage. Again, we have these are our shoe racks actually, and we use it for our closets in here, cupboards. So again, you can double up on the storage, right? So that's that. And then the other side, it's above the bed. Oh, and then on this side, little nightstand and little drawer and a few little odds and ends in there. And on this side is another closet. It's pretty narrow. An extra blanket in there. And then the other side of the, so yeah, more storage. So good storage. Yeah, like I said, we're out camping, so this is our, you can see our camp spot. You can hear the birds. Wake up to nice and quiet solitude. And then back out to the front. And there you go. Have a good day. Oh, where'd he go?
Hazel doing that ADA thing again too, or what?
Oh, he's gone. Squirrel right at the table. Not scared of anything, this one. Where did he go? There he is. If I could zoom in on him. There he is. See how close he is? He is not scared of anything.
I wonder if Diamond went up.
Okay, quit moving, Kim. Sorry. There he is.
Oh yeah, because I told Sydney applied for a job in Kitimat. I told her to show it to Diamond. So
Don't come near me, you little bugger.
I told Diamond when she graduated, when I talked to her about it, applying, hopefully she does. Yeah, no kidding. Oh, that's good. I told her to frickin'.
There he is. Get! Don't you come near me! Jesus, this thing is. Get!
Well, you know what? Frickin' leave them do it for
Get.
Christian though. That's what I.
He is not going anywhere.
Right? I
See?
say they help out Christian. That's what pisses me off.
Look
If
at that.
Diamond had her license, she'll be able to get a job too. Yeah.
Hey, he's eating our sticks.
Oh, they do it for one, but not the other.
Look, he's
That's
looking
not
at.
right.
Kick him! He's gonna get a sugar high from all the marshmallows.
Yeah. No doubt.
Nasty.
That's one thing we do.
Eee!
That's one thing we both do.
Some kind of woodpecker. I can't zoom in anymore. Ouch, getting bit up. Uh-oh. Out for a stroll. And then to the lake.
Why did you keep a coat